Daka benta ban pai khamat kerpangi ki jala Shatei la Mihngi kari India khamtama po ka jala Meghalaya hakaba Kyntiew kerpangi Nongrep katkum ka juk start hakini ki singi ko College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science Cpgs-As Central Agricultural University CAU Impal minta kasi kila play pat bano yak National Conference bar singi lenter auditorium hall ka Cpgs-As Meghalaya but la one play de kong amprin lingdo kabadai ka mentri katanan rap hapo ka jala Meghalaya kani ka National Conference kadai halor ka phang bakila ai ha ka khtin long way enhancing agricultural growth with special reference to Northeast India, synergizing industry and scientific innovations for demand driven crops improvement nalor ka kong amprin lingdo kum commentary katanat rap hapo ka jala Meghalaya kiwe kiblaya don lang o Professor D. Thakuria, Chairman and Dean Cpgs-As Dr. S.V. Ngachan, former Director ICAR NEH Dr. J.C. Rana, Country Head Bioversity New Delhi, Dr. A.K. Mohanty, Director ATARI Zone 7, Dr. T.R. Sharma, Registrar and Director of Instruction, CAU Impal Lembat Kiwe.
Hi. Also companies are
and in the new coming 10-20 years, what is our needs, we'll assess, and based on that, we'll create a roadmap for genetics and plant breeding student or molecular biology student, that what kind of research approach we should follow. And based on that only, we will, after that, fine-tuning all these recommendations, and we will fix up our research thrust area and priorities researchable issues in those areas. So that at the end of the day, in coming 7 years, 8 years time, we will be able to give something purposeful, meaningful materials, so that it will be benefited for the farmers. That farmers is the ultimate beneficiary, and also it will be benefits for the agri-entrepreneurs.
Why our people should not be such type of skilled scientists? Today we are associated with industrialists, and we are sharing how such type of skills should be collaborated with the scientific technology that we are having. And at last, nonetheless, I think to the delegates, since Dr. Thakuria has mentioned, address the welcome address, I feel it is my bounden duty. Meghalaya not only rich in the resources, but the people, the culture of the people, peace-loving people, Khasis, Karos, Kyntiews.
sure that we convince our farmers to go back to their roots, encourage natural farming practices, and ensure that farming becomes a lucrative business, an exciting occupation, and at any cost arrest rural-urban migration. This population expulsion in the urban areas needs to immediately be attended to, and the only solution for all of us would be bring to the forefront the role of the farmer, the importance of the farmer, and the capacity to ensure that livelihood occurs from the bottom up to ensure that this nation and our state progresses forward. We are very happy that you are engaging in all of your scientific engagements. Soil testing, pesticide testing, giving us solutions for the challenges of some of the nutritional compromise of some of the potentially high-yielding crops in the state of Meghalaya is of paramount importance. The other day, the Honorable Chief Minister, alongside the Union Minister for Agriculture, Mr. Chauhan, had one mission and one vision in mind: get rid and look at what we can do to get past the budroot that is eroding our plantations, particularly the supari plantations in several parts of the state.